everybody, today I'll be installing the Knight Rider light and the Tesla Model Y. In order to install this kit, you can do it two ways. You can install it using the Tesla battery, I think the 12 volts underneath the hood, or my way I'm going to do it, I'm going to use this 9 battery volt instead of tapping to the Tesla electronic, and I don't want to get any issue with Tesla warranty or anything like that. So I'll be using this 9 volt battery on the side. For me, it's more safer and more easier too. And also you need the 9 volt battery connector. You can buy these from Amazon, like I think $5 too for these. And also you need the heat shrink tubing and some wire cutters and some, you can use either heat gun or you can use a hairdryer too for the tubing. And that's the kit right here. But before that, I want to give a big thank you and big shout out for new subscribers to the channels. I really appreciate everybody subscribing to the channels. Thank you so much for these subscribers. Thank you. So for this kit right here, you obviously have the bar right here, and you're gonna have remote control. Come with the kit. And with the kit, you're gonna have, I think 4 wires. All you need to do is the black and the red. You can ignore the green and you can ignore the yellow. These, if you want to connect them to the turn signals, you can do that, but I don't want that, man. I told you, I don't want to touch any Tesla wiring system, nothing. So don't void the warranty, keep your Tesla warranty, under warranty. So these 2 wires are going to be the main thing. And that's the kit come in this box, and I will tell you right here what come: the wireless control, the switch, and also here it can tell you, the installation instruction for it too. So right now I'm gonna open this tube. I'll be doing the red and the black. That's the brand. I'm gonna cut about, I say, 2.5 inches. One, and you're gonna do the same thing for the black. And we're gonna slide the black tube over the wire, and we're gonna take the wire stripper, strip the wire, and same as here, we're gonna use a little bit like that, and we're going to connect the 2 black wires together first thing. Get it flat, and we're gonna put the shrinking tube over it. Try to keep this in the middle, and we can feel it right here in the middle. So right now I'll be doing the wires. Now after we connected the 2 wires and heat wrap them, now you can take the 9 volt batteries and connect it. See that? Look at that. And you can use the remote control to turn the D is off. See that? And you can change a bunch of style. It's got like a lot of style. You can make it like a police, like red and blue. You can flash, make it, we got a bunch of colors. But for me, this is the Knight Rider theme right here. It's gonna look really nice on the Tesla. So let's go and install it on the Tesla right now. I'm gonna install it on the front, underneath the hood. The way in order to install these, I'm gonna use this double side tape mounting. So this way you don't have to drill or any modified anything in the Tesla. It'll be all like kind of factory clean installations. No drilling, no tapping the wiring system, nothing. So you're gonna take, first we're gonna center it right here, like that. It's kind of center. And I'll be take this block off this tape, and I'll put one over here, like that. Just like that. One over here, it's gonna be like that, and one on this side. Just like that. And now we're gonna take the two. We take two straps. I'm gonna do it like that. And then
you might have to turn that top right.
we're gonna cut this. So, cut this right here. Try to put the head in the back so it won't be in top, so it will not put. So do like this in the back, like that. After we're installing the light underneath the hood, as you can see, I only use these two double face tape mounted, so this way you don't have to drill to anything to a Tesla. And also I mounted this kit right here, the battery and the modules, everything with the same double-sided tape mounting. The installations. Now let's see, hit it with the remote. Look at that. Now we can close the hood. See? Okay, everybody. Now let's start the show. We're gonna open the glove box and we're gonna put the USB. The one's got the light show. And we're gonna go to the light show and we're gonna start the show. It's gonna say custom light show, sorry. hope you like the show, guys. Please consider subscribe and hit the notification bell for future video. Thank you very much and see you next time. See ya.